I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow Italian green beans using an easy method. First, select a location in your garden that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Prepare the soil by enriching it with compost to improve drainage and fertility. Once the danger of frost is completely gone and the soil is warm, you are ready to plant your seeds. This preparation ensures a strong start for your bean plants. When planting, sow your Italian green bean seeds about 1 inch deep and 3 to 4 inches apart. If you're planting multiple rows, ensure they are spaced 24 to 36 inches apart to allow for good air circulation and growth. After planting, give the area a good, deep watering. Consistent moisture is crucial during this early stage to help the seeds germinate successfully and establish strong roots. As your Italian green bean plants grow, provide them with a sturdy support system like a trellis or stakes, especially for pole varieties. Consistent watering is key. Aim for about 1 inch of water per week, more during hot, dry spells. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Regularly check your plants for any signs of pests or diseases and address them quickly to maintain plant health. You can typically begin harvesting your Italian green beans when they reach 6 to 8 inches in length and feel firm to the touch. Pick them regularly, every 2 to 3 days, to encourage the plants to produce more beans throughout the growing season. This consistent harvesting ensures a bountiful yield. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.